Heavy machinery powers everything from skyscraper construction to deep earth mining, working in places where human strength simply isn't enough. Today, we take you inside the world of heavy-duty machines, exploring the force, function, and brilliance behind their creation. If you love power, precision, and jaw-dropping machines, you're in the right place. The CAT 323 is a versatile excavator that is trusted for medium-sized demolition jobs. With an operating weight of around 25 tons and a 9-meter boom, the CAT 323 can easily reach the roofs and high walls of small houses. I find it very worrying to carry such a large quantity of sugarcane across this bridge. In Oregon, the Tiger Cat LX830D feller buncher is equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, helping to cut and gather large trees efficiently. With the ability to handle trees up to 70 cm in diameter, it optimizes the logging process in dense forests, ensuring high productivity and durability on complex terrain. The Aeromaster. PT-190 is a dedicated compost turner, ideal for large-scale farms and compost plants. With a working width of 4.8 meters, the PT-190 can turn a pile of compost 2.1 meters high and hundreds of meters long, processing up to 1,800 tons of compost per hour. The transport of the cruise ship to Ammersee is one of the most impressive tasks, when a ship up to 35 meters long, 7 meters wide, weighing more than 90 tons is safely moved through the narrow routes. To bring the ship down to Lake Ammersee, the transport team used a 40-meter-long multi-axle trailer, combined with a tractor with a capacity of more than 500 horsepower, ensuring a smooth journey of tens of kilometers. These massive machines are the backbone of coal mining operations, capable of moving thousands of tons of material per hour. With rotating wheels equipped with multiple buckets, they scoop up dirt and coal with incredible efficiency, demonstrating both power and precision. The Liebherr 984 is a machine built for heavy-duty tasks, and in this video, it demonstrates its full potential. The excavator loads the trucks with overburden using just 2 passes each, a remarkable feat that speaks volumes about both the machine's capacity and the operator's skill. The speed and precision on display show why the Liebherr 984 is a trusted machine in large-scale operations like this. Weighing in at approximately 3,530 pounds, the Waratah H290 enables efficient cutting and wood handling, ensuring durability and stability, even in dense forest conditions. The TigerCat 6900 grinder is a powerful wood grinder with a 1,200 horsepower engine. It can grind wood into mulch with a 335-meter-minute discharge conveyor and a fuel tank of over 2,000 liters, enough to work continuously on large-scale biomass recycling projects. The Terex RH170 is a giant excavator designed for open pit mining. With an operating weight of over 380 tons and a bucket capacity of up to 17 MITH-3s, the RH170 can move 2,500 tons of rock and soil per hour. Its 15-meter boom allows it to reach deep mineral deposits, while its powerful engine of nearly 1,500 horsepower keeps this giant working in some of the world's largest mines. With a working width of up to 5 meters, Lumiarat can clear thousands of square meters of snow in just a few minutes. Thanks to the intelligent hydraulic system, the blade can adjust its angle and tilt flexibly, ensuring maximum performance even when the snow is thicker than 50 cm. Be amazed by the wheeled harvester Highlander HL22. a powerful assistant in forestry, equipped with a 200 horsepower engine. Weighing in at about 30–80 pounds, the machine ensures stability and durability on all forest terrains, optimizing the process of logging and transporting wood. The New Holland LM 1745. Solheim is a powerful telehandler, ideal for heavy lifting jobs in agriculture and construction. With a maximum lift height of 17 meters and a lifting capacity of up to 4.5 tons, the LM 1745 easily handles large packages, building materials, or bulky equipment. The Massey Ferguson Ideal 7 is a modern combine harvester, optimized for large-scale wheat harvesting. With a 451 horsepower engine and a cutting table of up to 12 meters, the Ideal 7 can harvest more than 50 tons of wheat per hour. Thanks to its 12,500-liter grain bin and 140-liter Tyco-second rapid discharge system, the machine helps farmers harvest quickly, cleanly, and with minimal grain loss. Plöger AR4BX is a modern potato harvester featuring a 4-row harvest design, allowing for quick and easy field handling. With an engine capacity of around 400 horsepower and a tank capacity of up to 8 tons, the AR4BX can harvest more than 1 hectare of potatoes per hour. The SFM Samurai is a modern self-propelled apple harvester. optimally designed for large-scale apple orchards. With a picking arm with an 8-meter reach and a container that can hold up to 3 tons of apples, the Samurai can harvest up to 10 tons of apples per hour while ensuring the fruit is not bruised. Verhoost cabbage. Harvester is a famous specialized equipment in the UK, helping farmers harvest cabbage quickly and evenly. With the ability to harvest 2 to 4 rows of cabbage at the same time, the machine processes up to 10,000 plants per hour, ensuring that the vegetables are cut neatly and not crushed. The 6-meter-long conveyor belt brings the cabbage to the container or packaging conveyor right in the field, saving labor and keeping the quality of fresh cabbage from the field to the supermarket. The Big Bud 16V747 is the world's largest tractor, dubbed the Field Beast, when preparing land for the planting season. With a huge capacity of up to 1,100 horsepower and a working width of up to 24 meters, the Big Bud 16V747 can plow 30 to 35 centimeters deep and process more than 400 hectares of land in just one day. The Senbojan 821E is a mid-range material handler, ideal for loading and moving heavy metals in recycling yards. With a working reach of up to 12 meters and a lifting force of over 4.2 tons at long range, the 821E easily collects, picks, and stacks hundreds of tons of scrap metal per shift. The hydraulically raised cabin height of an additional 2.7 meters gives the operator a clear view of all angles, ensuring that loading and unloading work is safe, quick, and efficient. Next up is the Dallin Vedmaskin 2054, an ideal woodcutting and processing machine equipped with a 15 horsepower engine, which helps to process logs quickly and efficiently. With a weight of about 700 klagsers, the machine ensures stability and durability, optimizing the cutting and splitting process for forestry work.
Por mucho. 40, 40. Derecho, derecho, derecho. Bien, 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 30, 30. Pégate a tu izquierda, acá, pégate a la izquierda. Estamos llegando a los metros ya. 30. Dale, llegando a 1 metro. Ya 30, derecho, derecho más. Acá hay 1 metro izquierda. A la derecha, pasamos ya, dale. Estamos pasando. Se aleja 1 metro ya. Pasamos.
The pumpkin harvester is a specialized piece of equipment that helps farmers collect thousands of pumpkins quickly before the Halloween festival season. With a 2.5 meter wide conveyor belt and a 5-ton capacity bin, the machine can harvest up to 20 tons of pumpkins per hour. Thanks to the gentle gripper and conveyor system, the pumpkins are kept intact, ready for transportation, packaging, and brilliant display during Halloween. A 200 horsepower crane was used to remove the large tree that had fallen on the house. The tree, which was about 15 meters high and weighed more than 1 ton, caused serious damage to the roof. The Interdrain GP series is a state-of-the-art drainage plow that features the ability to install underground drainage pipes without digging traditional V-trenches. Operating in a wheat field in the Netherlands, the GP series can lay perforated pipes up to 2.5 meters deep at a construction speed of 400-600 meters of pipe per hour. Thanks to its simultaneous trenching and backfilling mechanism, the machine keeps the fields dry, increasing productivity and saving significant land reclamation costs. The excavator is small, but its pulling power cannot be underestimated. The 140,000-pound, 740-ton petrochemical cracker is one of the giant pieces of equipment that is being transported through Edmonton, Alberta, to service major refineries. At nearly 160 feet long and more than 20 feet in diameter, the machine requires a 200-foot multi-axle trailer and a fleet of 1,000 horsepower tractors to move it. Caterpillar D8H D6R are legendary bulldozers known as the world's largest plowing fleet. With a capacity of up to 650 horsepower, each weighs more than 40 tons, enough to plow 60-80 centimeter deep on hard-packed fields. When operating in unison, they can process more than 50 hectares per day, turning wasteland into fertile farmland ready for planting. DJ Vaser-Blumen has developed an innovative tulip topping machine that helps Dutch farmers process millions of tulips quickly. With a working width of up to 1.5 meters, the machine can top more than 50,000 tulips per hour, ensuring the plants focus on growing bulbs rather than flowering early. Thanks to its sharp blade design and neat collection system, the machine keeps tulip fields looking even and ready for a high-quality bulb harvest. 30. The Valtra A93 High-Tech, combined with the Nisula 325H harvester, is the ideal choice for forestry work. Designed with a powerful 101 horsepower engine, it helps to process wood efficiently. Weighing approximately 15,400 pounds, the machine is stable and durable on difficult terrain, optimizing harvesting productivity. We hope you enjoyed exploring these powerful machines with us. Which one stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe for more thrilling content on heavy equipment. Until next time, take care.